Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to finish the cat on the roof quest in under 1 minute. Okay, let's get started. First, just tap on watch icon like this, go to menu, and then just select cat on the roof quest, and make sure the quest is active. You will see a stop tracking button like this if it's on, and then next just look for the Vanya positions. Just follow the directions guide with Vanya's characters icon on your screen like this. Just follow it. Like this. Like this. And then next just interact with Vanya and you will be asked to give her a fish. Don't worry, any fish you have caught before will work. And if you don't know how to fish yet, check the link in the description for full tutorial. And then after giving the fish, the quest is complete like this. And then you will receive several rewards. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.